My sister is also in Form 3, remember?
Yeah.
My sister is also an activist like I am.
Oh.
On the other hand, she's also in I guess, her second school.
Look,
second school. Look, Mother, this is too much for her.
Oh, and I'm
the big brother. Na nini mwanake, what is the best thing to do? Mweherere. Tondu muraikara single room, mwegeto, timugunda kwanyu, Mother ni thoko endagia, ndari kindu, fafania Ndagiire. Wako na familia ingine anashughulikia, kuna watoto wengine wadogo. It was like Githaiga jile.
Ukiumira fara?
Nikiumira kiugare kitu tukaumira Monica tigwo njeke atia. Nyumire.
Riu guthie ku?
Ngumira thi fara. Niko kukichwe. Na Form 3. Na jikaya kagemi.
Yes.
You know, I've hustled a little bit. I know the streets. I go to the barabara. I go and become something else. I stayed there for around 4 months.
Mierina. Urakoma ku?
Ngakoma kwa mundu. A friend of mine, we stayed there for like 2 days, but eventually went to the streets kabisa. Proper. I became a muzigo to everybody.
Sasa chokoshi sasa.
Yes, na Nairobi dogi tuika muligo kwa mudu. Everybody go kila kidu ni kugura kinyanye ni kinyanya kinyado.
Yeah.
So nobody will feed you. I became a chokoshi.
Proper.
A proper chokoshi.
Ni uko kushia group.
Exactly, later on. I did not do it the first time. After 4 months, I came to
Gikuyu.
chokora fiyo. Na daikara fara mieri na 5 uguo. Noika ndari mwana mugi. Ndiari mukigwo na ndagia.
Ni IQ ni kiungo giki kiraruga giki ni kugiga.